Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Welcome to my channel Incremental Nova. Today we are going to see difference between Anker 622 magnetic MagSafe battery bank versus the Apple's MagSafe battery bank. On the surface, they might look like a similar kind of product, but they have a lot of differences. Let me show you three key differences between these two battery bank and will tell you in the end which one I recommend. So first of all, there is a slight difference in weight between the MagSafe versus the Anker 6221 because the Anker MagSafe battery bank is slightly heavier than the Apple's one, but when you're holding it attached at the back of your phone, I don't think it plays much of a difference. But if you are again with iPhone 13 Pro, the weight has already increased, and if you don't want to carry more weight, then you can switch to the Apple's MagSafe battery bank. But hear me out, there are a few very good reasons why I use Anker's battery bank or recommend Anker's battery bank over the Apple's MagSafe. So to start off with, there is a weight difference, right? And then obviously there is a size difference as well. This one, Apple's MagSafe battery bank, is considerably smaller and leaner than the Anker's MagSafe battery bank. You would see that here, and that is mostly because Anker's battery bank has a very good feature. You can also use it as a stand for your phone. So something like this, right? And it will charge your phone. This is a really handy feature when you're traveling because let's say you're in a flight and you want to watch something, you can just use this battery bank. It will charge your phone as well as it will show you something on the screen. You can watch that in landscape or portrait mode. That is really good feature. So another difference is that Anker can do that. Your regular Apple's MagSafe battery bank cannot do that. And one of the biggest difference that you would see is the way you would charge these battery banks. So for Anchors, it is a USB-C versus the Lightning port for MagSafe. Again, if you are someone who has a lot of products which use USB-C charging, then you would appreciate this Anchors one because I carry MacBook Pro, I carry my iPad, I carry other devices that use USB-C port, so I do have to carry a USB cable every time I'm traveling. So I prefer using this one because if I have an Apple cable, I would be able to use my or charge my iPhone. But if I don't have an Apple cable with me, most probably you'll find a Android cable with someone else for sure, because statistically there are more Android phones which uses USB-C charging versus iPhones in the world. So you'll be able to find a friend who has a USB charger with him. So that is the third difference. And the second reason why I use Anker over the MagSafe battery bank. And the third one and the biggest reason is the price difference. Anker one comes at $59.99, which is like $60 versus $99 for this buddy. And there is not too much of a difference. I did a charging test as well with these two. So I did a charging test and I found that you can charge your iPhone till 80% with Anker and till 60% with your MagSafe battery bank. That is real life numbers. They are not scientifically proven. I just ran out the battery of my iPhone to 5% and then I did the test and found that Anker full charged Anker battery bank was able to charge my phone till 85% versus the 60% with Apple's MagSafe battery bank. So there is a considerable difference, and on the paper this one has 5000 milliampere versus 1350 milliampere. These battery ratings or storage capacities, they are really tricky. You would see on the surface that Anker has like 3000 more milliampere than the Apple MagSafe one, but in reality there is a huge difference. It is not going to charge your phone 1.5 times or 2 times, and this is not going to charge your phone just 80%. So on the surface you might think that this is 5000 milliampere, so it should be able to charge your phone at least twice, but that is not the case. It charges your phone till 85%, and that is only one time. So that is the third reason, that it has more battery capacity and it charges your phone faster as well. So Anker has 7.5 watt charging versus 5 watt charging that you get with your MagSafe battery bank. There is a very huge point or a huge difference between these two, in which Apple's MagSafe battery bank is better than this one, that is pass through charging. So suppose you are traveling, you can use your battery bank as a wireless stand as well when you're charging. So what you would do is you will just connect it with the lightning cable, and it will pass through charge your iPhone. So basically you can use this as a wireless charging pad. So it converts to that as well, and it charges at 15 watt when you're using it, or when you have connected it to the power outlet. So that is a very good advantage that MagSafe has over the Anker one. But in the true sense, the products that you're seeing here, you would use them when you're traveling and you don't have a charging outlet near you. So for those purposes, I think this is much better than this. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this? I've told you the differences and my preferences and my thinking about why I chose this over this. So this was a brief difference between Anker's 622 MagSafe battery bank versus Apple's MagSafe battery bank. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.